Through highs and lows and every struggle, we scaled these walls and jumped through hurdles. There's no surrender, no defeat. We will conquer fearlessly. We can believe if we open our eyes. Out from the darkness we reach for the light. There is no limit, we aim for the sky. No hill we can climb. Our dreams come alive.
Culture is changing faster than ever. We are living through the most profound technological, economical and cultural shift that has ever faced mankind.
The minute you show up in Bansko and many of these other communities, you instantly have community, connection, and have new friends.
Our dreams come alive. There's no mountain too high, and there's no river too wide. Our dreams come alive.
Bansko Nomad Fest actually help you fulfill your own digital nomads initiatives, and I'm personally truly grateful for this event, which also shaped my life as a digital nomad.
Tonight.